Okay, we just finna get, if I clap again.
Talk to me, lay with me. Want you to know that you're breaking me down, 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 down.
Okay, we just finna get straight into the video. I was trying to make up a intro. I think I got what I'm gonna say though. I just gotta tweak it a little bit, but yeah, I think I got what I'm gonna say now. But yeah, that's besides the point. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing, well, I'm going to be doing a what is I'm gonna call this? Should I just call it what everybody else call it? Yeah, no, we gotta be different. Okay, I couldn't think of nothing to say, so we're just gonna call it what it's called. Today I'm going to be doing a high school emergency kit. Okay, so I know y'all done saw all these videos already, because you know everybody coming out with their little back to school videos, and y'all done saw some of these videos already, the high school emergency kit. But I'm just here to tell y'all, some of the stuff that they put it in their high school emergency kit, they not really put it in their high school emergency kit. Like, they just naming necessities for school. Do you really think these people is going to be carrying around all this stuff and the little bag that they be showing in the camera? First of all, baby, all that stuff can barely fit in your book bag. You gonna show that little bitty, that little pouch. Like, they lying to y'all. Put a wig brush, no. That stuff is not fitting in there. And half of the time, they not taking all that stuff to school because you really don't even have time to take all that stuff to school. Like, this is an emergency kit. What you have available, what you should have available. Like, these are going to be the main necessities. We're not bringing no Band-Aids in our emergency kit. First of all, that's what the nurse is for. If you want a Band-Aid, you go to the nurse. Whether you hurt or not, you get out of class. You go to the nurse. But yeah, so that's what we finna do today. So we just finna get straight into the video because I've been talking for 2 minutes. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need, or you should have in your high school emergency kit is, I really should have wrote this down because all of this is in my phone and I'm recording off my phone. I'm so smart, like, oh my fucking god. Okay, I'm back and I'm prepared now. I got my, y'all know what this called. I got this. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need in your high school emergency kit is an ID. You wanna always have some type of identification on you, whether it's your school ID, your state ID. You want some type of ID on you. Because what if something happened, like, you want to be identified, and you just need that on you. You never know what you're going to need that for. So make sure to always have your ID. The next thing you're going to need is a charger. Keep your charger on you because you don't want to be that person in school who be asking, hey, can you got a charger? One of y'all got an iPhone charger? Can I see your charger? No, you don't want to be that person. So make sure you always got your own charger. And don't let everybody be seeing your charger because...
Stop barking.
Ignore that. But anyway, don't let everybody see your charger because that's how your stuff come up missing. It depends. Like, if you go to a good school, cool. But, you know, if you go to one of them schools, don't let everybody see your stuff. Next, you're going to need headphones. Always keep headphones on you because... You're gonna leave? Okay, like I was saying, always keep headphones on you because you never know when your teacher is going to be like, okay, well... y'all can listen to music as long as you got headphones. And I was that kid, like, y'all, this is my first school year where I used headphones in school. And it has made such a big difference. I never had headphones. I never asked nobody to use their headphones because that's nasty. Don't be asking nobody to use the headphones that, like, go in. If you got over the head headphones, then yeah. But if you don't ask nobody, that's dirty. Don't do that. I hate when I see kids do that. But anyway, no, I never asked nobody to use their headphones. I never used headphones. And then when the teacher would always say, y'all could use headphones if y'all got them, I would sit there with my phone to my ear like this. I swear to God, I would sit there with my phone like that. I never brought headphones, and it made such a difference once I started. Like, bring headphones to school. And then if somebody talking to you that you don't want to hear, like, that you don't even want to talk to, you got headphones and you can't hear them, right? Or at least act like it. Always keep some type of brush on you. Now, It don't have to be a wig brush. It don't have to be. Keep some type, a small brush, a mini brush. Just keep a brush on you, or keep something to do your edges, something to fix it. Cause if you get, like, if you still take gym or you take some type of class, like if you have ROTC, you have PT. So you're gonna need, like, if your hair gets messed up, you're gonna need some type of brush. You're gonna need some type of edge control, something. You don't have to bring no edge control to school. You should already do that before you get to school. So I'm not gonna put that on the emergency kit. But always have some type of always have some type of brush or comb on you at all times. Keep some lotion. I don't know if y'all do this, but when I get out the shower, it depends. I don't, like, sometimes I don't put on lotion. Most of the time I do, but sometimes I do not wear lotion when I get out the shower, simply because that's doing too much. Like, you just put on the bare necessities. I don't put on lotion. So, say I just took a shower and then I'm leaving out for school. I don't even get ashy, but sometimes I do. Like, I'm not going to even lie. Sometimes I get ashy. And sometimes I need lotion. And I'm always, you got some lotion? In the girls' locker room, you got some lotion? You got, like, and I don't like asking people for stuff. So, like, if you don't like asking people to use their stuff, bring your lotion. Like, you're going to need it. I'm probably no, don't even tweak with me because I'm not even ashy right now. But you never know when you're going to need lotion, so bring lotion. Always have scrunchies. No matter if your hair is short, long. I be asking for scrunchies if I got a bob. Like, always bring scrunchies because you're going to need them. And I'm always that girl who asks for scrunchies. You got a scrunchie? And literally, no, like, if you find somebody who got a scrunchie, you are so lucky. Because don't nobody be having scrunchies at all. I'd be lucky if I find somebody who have a scrunchie. So always keep scrunchies on you. And keep a lot because scrunchies disappear. I don't know how, but they do. So keep a lot on you. Deodorant. Now, really, you should be clean before you leave out the house for school, right? This should already be taken care of. Don't share. I'm not saying bring this for other. Do not share your deodorant with nobody. Oh my God. Don't do that. Do not share deodorant. I don't even know if that's a bad thing or not, but just don't do that. Don't share no. Don't do that. Bring deodorant just in case. Say you forgot to put on deodorant that morning when you got out the shower. You need it, like, baby girl. You don't want to be that girl. Bring deodorant. Keep deodorant on you. You never know when you're going to need it or how you're going to need it. Just keep deodorant on you. Next, keep some pads on you. Now, honestly, you should know when your period starts. You should know when your period starts. But a lot of times your period could change, like, you never know. And it might happen while you're in school. This has never happened to me. I've always been prepared with my period. Like, my stuff don't really change. But you never know what can happen. Always keep pads in your bag. Because you don't want to go to the nurse steady asking, like, no. Keep pads in your bag. Keep enough pads in your bag. Like, what if your friend... Now, this is something you could share. What if your friend need a pad? Like, she just came on her period and she didn't know that she was going to come on her period. Boom. You're a hero. You're a lifesaver. You just gave her... You just saved her life. You just helped her. Keep pads on you. Next, keep perfume on you. Oh, my God. Okay, like, keep this on you for real. You want to smell good at all times. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I just love smelling good. Like, I love hearing people... Ooh, you smell good. Like, that's a good compliment to get. Keep perfume on you. Smell good at all times. No matter if you, just keep perfume on you. I don't even know what I was just finna say, but keep perfume on you. You want to always smell good. What if your crush walk by? Like, you ain't even got to go to your locker and, you know, you just... For my last thing. I'm sorry I keep looking over here like, y'all, this is where it's at. But for my last thing, keep gum on you. Now, what is on my hand? This is foundation on my hand, so don't do too much. I'll treat you. But anyway, no. Keep gum on you. Gum, oh my God. First of all, I know almost everybody has done this before. You see somebody with some gum, right? Somebody asks them for their gum. Then another person asks them for their gum. And then you go ask them for their gum. Don't do that. Because 9 times out of 10, if you was that person with the gum, obviously you obviously you see them steady giving their gum out. Like, they do not want another person to come up to them. Like, you see, they barely want to give this person their gum. They barely want to give this person their gum. And then you going to come third and last. Don't do that. Keep gum on you so you don't have to ask nobody. Like, you don't have to be that person, that third person asking somebody for some gum. Like, gum is like crack in high school. Everybody want to know where you got it from, who you got it from, how you got it, when you got it. Keep your own gum on you. And I watched this girl video. She said keep like a little pack of gum. But I'm the type of person, if I put one piece of gum in my mouth, like I'm going at it. I just said gum is like crack in high school. I just keep going at it. I'm eating piece after piece after piece. So I would keep a lot of gum on me. I've done it once before, but I just never did it again. Like, brung a huge thing of gum because I'm the type of person I would continue to give my stuff out. But, baby, it's a new year. Nobody getting nothing from me. Don't ask me for no pencils. Don't ask me, like... Oh, matter of fact, I just said that was the last thing on my list. That's not even the last thing on my list. But keep gum on you. And it's a proven fact. I think it's a proven fact. In my book, it's a proven fact. That if you chew gum in class, like, if you chew gum while you studying or something, it helps you study or it helps you think better. Something like that. Look it up. It's true. But no. That's it for the gum thing. Keep gum on you. But this is my last thing. Always keep pencils on you, bro. Always keep pencils on you. I'm the type of person, I buy a whole bunch of school supplies for the whole year. In about a week, all that's gone. In about 4 days, all my pencils is gone. Like, keep pencils hidden from you somewhere. Like, keep them in a stash because you're going to need pencils. You're going to run out so fast, especially if you always giving stuff out. Like, keep pencils on you, like, away from you, hidden. Keep pencils. You're going to need them throughout the year. You do not want to be that kid in class. You got a pencil? Or that, do anybody in here got a pencil I could use? And then the whole class just sitting there quiet because they don't want to give you a pencil. No, keep pencils on you. Always have a pencil. But yeah, that's it for my emergency high school emergency kits. That's really all you're going to need. Like, you don't really need nothing major in an emergency kit. Like I said, you don't need nothing major. It's not that serious. You're not going to boot camp. You're not going to jail. You don't need nothing that major. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
I don't wanna be without you. Fuck around and sleep without you. I don't wanna